For numbers 14 through 16, we are trying to decide if the function is even, odd, or neither. So a function is even if you replace the x values with negative x, and when you perform the functions, the final equation is the same as the original equation. Then it would be even. It's odd if you make all of the x values the opposite sign, negative x, and then you end up with all of the signs changing. Then it would be an odd function. So when we look at number 14 I actually think is the hardest one here, because if we put in negative x into x's spot, yes, the signs changed, but this actually is equal to 1 over 5 to the positive x. So this is not equal to the original function, nor are you making w of negative x equal to the opposite sign of the original. So this ends up being neither. But that one was a tricky one. 15 is a little bit more obvious. When you plug in negative x, you get negative 8 times negative x, which then turns into positive 8x. So this sign changed, and it's the only sign there. So this would be odd. 16, when you put in negative x, you get 3 times negative x squared minus 2 times negative x. And if you have negative x squared, negative x times negative x is positive x squared. So now we have 3x squared. Negative 2 times negative x would be positive 2x. So what happened here is this stayed the same as the original. This one, however, went positive from a negative sign. So because one term changed and the other did not, this would be neither. They either all have to stay the same signs or they all have to change signs. So to give you an example of even, if you look up at this page or on top of this page, this is an example of even. So if we were to replace the x with a negative x squared, or negative x, when you square negative x, it goes positive x squared. So you can see that this right here, 2x squared, that's the same as what it started with, and then positive 4 or plus 4 is the same as plus 4. So the final equation is the exact same as the original, therefore it would be even.